Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AI Power Tutor. Okay, this is a channel where I'm teaching different types of things. Mostly my focus is on AI. In this video, I want to tell you about how you can make different types of content on Canva. Like when we have Canva, we are going to make first the YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, and we will also make TikTok video, and we will also make one more thing that will be a surprise for you guys. Okay, let's subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start this one again.
Hey there, creative minds. Today we're diving into the world of Canva and learning how to create eye-catching visuals. To kick things off, let's design a thumbnail for a YouTube video about a delicious Chinese dish. First, let's choose a template that suits our video's theme. I'm going to search for food or restaurant templates. Or maybe I will change a blogging template into Chinese food. This is daily vlog templates and let convert first all the color with branding. I will teach you later how add your own branding colors. If you want to learn, just comment below, then I will delete the image behind this template. Select the image and then delete with Ctrl plus X. Now you can add any of the image, like let me add avatar that I used in my previous video. Select the image and simply click on the pictures, or you can select and drag on canvas. Adjust the position. Now click on the elements where we will search some Chinese foods and select one. Repeat the search till you get the image you like most. Just click on the image and paste. I'm going to change avatar image and I will paste something like kids chef image. Let's put that on the thumbnail and paste at the center. Canva provides a wide range of templates, so feel free to pick one that best fits your project. Once you've chosen your template, head to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can search for images and graphics. Since our design revolves around Chinese food, search for an image that visually represents this theme. You may need to search several times using different keywords to find the ideal image. Once you've found the right image, drag and drop it onto your canvas and position it at the top. This will be the focal point of your design, giving it an authentic, appealing touch. To enhance the theme further, you can incorporate traditional Chinese food items like dumplings, noodles, or chopsticks into the design. Play with the placement of these elements to maintain a balanced layout without overcrowding the canvas. Adjusting the size and color contrast of the food images can also help highlight the overall aesthetic, ensuring they fit naturally within your template. The next step is to add an image of a chef. To keep the design fun and engaging, you could either select an image of a traditional Chinese chef or choose something playful, like a cute child dressed as a chef. Again, use the Elements tab to search for suitable images. Once you've found a chef image that works with your design, drag it onto the canvas and adjust its size and placement. Don't worry if it's not perfect just yet. You can tweak the positioning later on. The goal is to ensure that both the food and chef images complement each other without overcrowding the canvas. These visuals will set the tone for your niche and give the design a professional yet approachable look. Wow, so you are excited to learn more? Let's take some rest, sleeping. Let's get up now, my sweet audience. Comment now how this video is. Now it's time to work on the text. First, click on any placeholder text in the template and customize it to reflect the theme of Chinese recipes. Change the main title to something fitting like Made Chinese Recipes, ensuring the wording aligns with the content you want to present. Then consider the color of the text. Highlight the text and use Canva's color palette to experiment with different shades until you find the perfect combination that enhances the overall design. You can also play around with font styles. Choosing one that is bold and easy to read will help ensure that your title stands out. Once the basic elements are in place, spend some time fine-tuning the overall look of your design. This includes adjusting the positioning of images and text, making sure everything is well aligned, and considering the color balance. If the chef image doesn't quite fit, try moving or resizing it, or even replacing it with a different image that works better with the layout. You can also experiment with the background color. Don't be afraid to try out various combinations of colors and elements until you're completely satisfied with the final look. Finally, when you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click the download. Let's dive into creating an Instagram post for a restaurant selling burgers or pizzas. First, I'll start by searching for Instagram templates that fit the theme. There are tons of ready-made designs available, but we'll customize it to make it unique. I'll select a template that has a clean, modern look, perfect for showcasing a delicious burger or pizza. Next, I'll change the text, maybe something like burger special or pizza deal, adding a catchy headline. Then I'll update the pricing or add discounts such as 20% off or buy one get one free. Now let's swap out the default image with a mouth-watering burger or pizza shot. You can easily upload your own high-quality image or choose from a variety of stock photos available. I'll play around with the placement to make it more visually appealing. Next, I'll tweak the colors to match the restaurant's brand, maybe using bold reds and yellows to give that warm, inviting feel. We'll also adjust the font style, making sure it's bold and easy to read. Finally, I'll add some finishing touches, like icons or a call to action, such as order now or limited time offer. With just a few simple changes, you can transform a basic template into an eye-catching promotional post for Instagram. This process is quick and allows you to play around with different elements, making sure the design stands out and represents your brand. And there you have it, a custom designed Instagram post ready to boost your restaurant's sales. Let's create a TikTok video for a client who owns a shoe store. I'll show you how to easily select a template and customize it for their brand. First, head over to the TikTok search bar and look for templates that fit the theme. In this case, I'll search for one that matches a shoe store's style, since they're offering a Valentine's Day sale, but remember, you can always adjust the template to fit your client's branding or vision. Once I've selected the template, I'll change the text to reflect the sale, such as Valentine's Day shoe sale. Now let's add a new page to this template and incorporate more of their branding. For example, I can upload their store logo, include their slogan if they have one, and adjust the colors to match their brand's aesthetic. Some clients might want bold, vibrant colors, while others may prefer a more minimalist style. Next, I'll add in specific details about the sale, like the duration. Sale ends on February 14th, and mention any exclusive deals or limited time offers. If the client has professional photos of their shoes, I'll upload those to replace the default images in the template. Otherwise, I can use stock images that align with their products. Some clients may have a specific slogan they want included. For example, if their brand slogan is "Step into Style," I'll make sure to incorporate that text prominently in the video. Lastly, I'll add a call to action like "Shop now" or "Visit our website" to encourage viewers to take immediate action. After adjusting everything according to the client's branding and style, the video will be polished and ready for TikTok. This method is quick and flexible, allowing you to easily adjust and create TikTok videos tailored perfectly to your client's needs.